Is your PC stuck, not booting properly, or do you just want to explore hidden recovery options? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you every way to enter recovery mode and advanced boot options in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This step-by-step guide will definitely help you. So let's get started. Sometimes your system may not start normally, and in that case, you can use special keys provided by laptop manufacturers to enter recovery mode. Here are some common ones. If you are using an Acer laptop, as soon as you press the power button to turn it on, immediately press and hold the Alt key and keep tapping the F10 key. This will take you to the recovery options. Now as you can see, our PC has successfully entered the Windows recovery options menu. For HP laptop, press F11 repeatedly right after turning on. On Dell system, try F8 or Shift plus F8 during the boot process. For Lenovo laptop, press F11 or use the Novo button. But if you are on an ASUS laptop, press F9 after turning on. On some models, Escape or F2 may also work. And for MSI laptops, press F3 during the boot. The process in Windows 11 is quite similar, but let me explain clearly. First, shut down your PC completely. If it's already on, hold the power button for 10 seconds. Turn it back on. And as soon as you see the Windows logo appears, press and hold the Shift key. Now this will take you directly into the Advanced Startup Options menu. Here in Windows 11, you will see options like Troubleshoot, System Restore and Command Prompt. If your PC starts normally and you want to enter recovery mode from within Windows, then here's how. For Windows 11, open Settings. Now go to System. Then select Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. For Windows 10, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Then go to Update and Security. Then choose Recovery. And under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Now that you are inside the recovery environment, let's quickly explore what you can do here. System Restore. It takes your PC back to an earlier working state using restore points. System Image Recovery. It restores your entire system from a saved backup image. Command Prompt. It allows advanced users to run commands for troubleshooting. UEFI Firmware Settings. It helps to access your PC's BIOS or UEFI settings. And that's it. Now you know all the different ways to enter recovery mode and advanced boot options in both Windows 10 and Windows 11, along with brand-specific hotkeys. I truly hope this guide was helpful to you. If you still have any questions or suggestions, please share them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorial and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.